Everyone, this is Vinayak from Tanx Innovations. Today we are here to explore the SIA MIS platform, which helps you for managing your projects, tracking progress, and measuring the social impact. Whether you are a NGO, a CSR team, foundation, or development organization, this platform helps you organize your work, monitor results, and generate a real-time report all in one place. The system is designed to help organizations track, measure, and analyze the social impact of their programs through structured monitor and evaluation tools. Step 1 will start with how you can register your organization on the platform. On clicking on Get Started, you will be redirected to the Setting Your Organization workplace. Here, you can see there are certain inputs which has to be filled by the organization itself. First, we'll demonstrate how you can fill all the inputs in a correct manner and order. I'll start with filling my organization name, that is, you have to select the entity type. I'm selecting CSR here. You have to fill your official mail and fill a 10-digit mobile number. I'll have to fill my street address, my state province, and country, that is by default India. I have to select my subscription plan. I'll start with the free trial version of it. The plan is already selected, and here I can click on submit. Will be redirected to the under review section. Once the Tanx team has reviewed your profile, you will be handled with a dashboard of Tanx MIS platform.